Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we will talk about something called la diéresis. Do you know what this means? This is something really important to learn in Spanish because it's a peculiar sound when reading different Spanish words, specifically some Spanish words. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so as I was saying, we will learn about la diéresis. La diéresis. Maybe you're wondering, what is this all about? Actually, one of you guys asked me to talk about this. Thank you so much for that. You can leave more suggestions in the comment section down below about what you would like me to talk about. That helps me a lot when you tell me what you would like to learn about Spanish. Okay, so let's get it started. Okay, so la diéresis. What is this about? La diéresis is something interesting, as I said. It's a sound that it's unique. You will see some words in Spanish that will have la diéresis. Before we talk about la diéresis, it is important to know a few things. The first thing is the G sounds. The G sounds in Spanish. The pronunciation of the letter G in Spanish. So the first thing you need to know is that obviously G is a consonant, and to make a sound in Spanish, you need a vowel, like A, E, I, O, U. Those are the sounds of the vowels in Spanish. When you have the letter G before a vowel, the sound will be the following. Well, the sounds, because it's more than one. So if you see this in Spanish, it is pronounced ga, 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 like Lady Gaga. This one here is pronounced he, 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 go, go, and gu, gu. So as you can see, this one here, ga, go, and gu are very similar. But these ones here sound a little different. He, and he. So that's very important to learn. And in order to learn more about la diéresis, you need to pay attention to he and he. Once again, the sounds are ga, he, go, and gu. Okay, so far so good. Now let's see a few examples. Using these sounds. Galleta. Galleta. This means cookie. Galleta, galleta. Genio, genio. This means genius. As you can see, the sound here is ge, genio, genio. Now let's see the next one. Girasol, girasol. This means sunflower. Girasol, girasol. Okay? The next one, gorilla, gorilla. This means gorilla, gorilla. So the sounds here are quite similar. Gorilla, gorilla. Okay. Now let's see the next one. Gusano, gusano. That means worm. Gusano, gusano. So far so good. We learned the G sounds in Spanish. Okay, now let's talk about the letter G and the letter U. If you have the letter G and the letter U in Spanish, it sounds gu. But sometimes you will see that there will be another vowel, two vowels after the letter G or the letter G. If you have the letters G and U plus another vowel after that, such as A, I, or E, or in Spanish, the letters A, I, and E, then the sound is gua, gua, gi, gi, and ge, ge, ge. So as you can see, when we have U and A, the sound is gua, gua, like guacamole, right? Guacamole. That's how it is pronounced in Spanish, gua. But these ones here, the last two, we don't pronounce the letter U or U. So you will say gi and ge. Now let's see a few examples using these sounds. Agua, agua. That means water. As you can see, we have the gua sound. Agua, agua. Let's see the next one. Guitarra, guitarra. This means guitar. As you can see, the sound here is gi. It's not we, it's gi, guitarra, guitarra. The next one is guerra, guerra. That means war. Guerra, guerra. So, I think that's pretty clear. The first sound here is wa, the second one is gi, and the third one is ge. Okay, so far so good. Let's see what's next. La diéresis. La diéresis is next. Sometimes you will see two dots above the letter U, specifically when you have this combination of letters, G, U, and I, or G, U, and E. So this is a completely new sound. And these two dots are called diéresis, la diéresis. So let's see what the sound is about. How do you think this is pronounced? Do you think it is like gi and ge again? I don't think so. That doesn't make that much sense. So the sounds are gui, gui, and gue, gue, gui, gue. So basically, you are pronouncing the letter U in the middle. Before, we saw that without these dots, the pronunciation would be gi and ge. But with the dots, or la diéresis, the sound changes to gui and we. We, we. We, we. Now let's see a few examples using la diéresis. Pingüino, pingüino. This means penguin. Pingüino. The next one is güero, güero. This means blonde, someone who has blonde hair. Güero. This is not pronounced pinguino, pinguino, or ghetto. Ghetto. It's pronounced pingüino, güero. Okay? So next time when you see la diéresis above the letter U, you know that you have to pronounce the letter U in the word. Pingüino, pingüino, güero, güero. Okay, now Let's see more words using la diéresis. There are not too many words using la diéresis, but there are some of them. I think it's a good idea to learn them because it's part of the Spanish language. Okay, let's see. Antigüedad. Antigüedad. This means antique or antiquity. Bilingüe. Bilingüe. This means bilingual. Bilingüe. Pingüino. We saw this one before. Pingüino. Penguin. Vergüenza. Vergüenza. This means shame or embarrassment. Cigüeña. Cigüeña. This means stork. The next one is güero. Güero. We saw this one before. This one means blonde. Sinvergüenza. Sinvergüenza. This is similar to vergüenza, but it has a different meaning. It means shameless. Someone who doesn't care. The next one is nicaragüense. Nicaragüense. This means someone from Nicaragua. So essentially a Nicaraguan. Okay, it started raining. Sorry about the noise. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry about the background noise again. Let me know in the comment section down below if you like this lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!